So we're right in the middle of this current update. We've painted out the frame rails here with NATO black, and the next step is we're going to hit the gas tank here. I'll probably do this aluminum as well. I think that's where the spare tire is supposed to go. Now what I've done, I thought a nice upgrade would be to go on the website to Jay's Resins and order a set of these. They're listed as drag racing tires. Got a pretty nice tread on them. And then there's your front. So I'll try to get these hooked on somehow, because this has got that split there for the snap. So what I'm probably going to have to do is clip that off and then just pin these. So that's going to be something that we take care of here down the road shortly. But I'm pretty excited about these. I think they're going to be a great addition, a great look to the car. So we'll keep working on it. Alright, so that's going to conclude out this video. As you can see there, I'm going to give you a good view of the undercarriage of the car. We've worked on the front, we've worked on the back, we've painted as much detail as I think that I can at this point. I went ahead, I accidentally installed the rear shocks backwards. I realized afterwards that there was a little tab on either side that was designed to sit down into the leaf springs, and so those shocks should be actually turned around, I believe. Test fitting the tires from Jay's Resins. At this point, they're going to stick out really wide. We're going to have to do some modification, as I spoke of earlier. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to clip off the outer part of that hub right about where my nippers were. Then I'm going to drill a hole down in the axle and use a little piece of plastic or metal rod to get those to sit on there. But those are going to look nice. I really think that those are going to be a nice addition to the car. I want to thank everybody who's followed along. If you haven't subscribed yet, I appreciate it if you do. Give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and until we see each other again, everybody out there be safe and everybody be blessed. Thank you for watching.